I'm plugging USB connection to here onto my system. So we downloaded already Marlin 2.1.1. So we opening that one. In this new version 2.1.1 configuration.h file and adv file is given only, so you can alter parameters of 3D printers in these two files. So I'm already configured the Marlin for our newly 3D printer. Let's upload. The program has been uploading now. After completion, the display will turn on. Let's see. Yes, the Marlin 2.1 is showing in the boot menu. So the firmware upload is success. So you can see Hacker Lab new 3D printer, new 3D. Please put some tape to see the movement of the step pose. Let's give power supply and check it. I'm using this 12 volts 20 amps power SMPS power supply. Let's make the connection of. So I'm connecting to minus terminal. Similarly, I'm connecting to plus terminal. This is negative, this is positive. How to make sure the connections don't reverse it. So connection of power to loads is completed now. Let's turn on. So power supply is connected successfully. Now we move on to move axis motion and move axis, then x axis, then 10 nm. You can see the x axis motor rotating. Similarly, we go back by centering center button. Now y move 10 and you can see y motor is turning. Next go to x axis, move z and move 10. So 10 mm z motor is also working since it rotates higher because of the z axis configuration. Okay, that should be configured in the Marlin. Okay, we see in later. Move extruder, hot and proceed cold, so 10 mm. So extruder is also moving. So now check the auto homing function. Let's see whether it works or not with auto home. So x axis rotating. Now we select the x axis limit switch. So this is x axis limit switch. Printer failed, printer reset. So okay, we have to reset. Okay, now check auto home function, motion, auto home. So y axis is motor rotating, x axis stop, then y is stop, then z is rotating, so z is also stop. So our all limit switches are also working. Let's fix this electronics parts to our newly assembled 3D printer and check the output. Thank you.